Wpl B36 6x6. This one's set up with new electronics to run on 3S lipo, and we put in a MN260 gearbox. And in the mail, we just got this brand new Wpl B36 ready to run. We're going to be doing a video on this next, showing all the details and all the quirks and features of it. And so let's take this thing for a test drive right now. Hit the trail. So let's do a speed run first. See how fast it is with the 3S lipo and MN260 motor. Okay, so that goes about that fast. We got our little helper here chasing it. So we're gonna go hit the trail and try to hit some obstacles. Okay, now we got some obstacles to go over. We'll see if it can do it. This is a pretty tough one right here. Not a lot of the trucks make it. May not look very steep, but oh, stuck on something. Oh, we got a whole tree. Okay, sorry about that. Like I've said in other videos, I don't have a way of editing this, so you're stuck with that. So from here on out, we're making a good video. Speeding dog. Okay, we've got a pretty good natural obstacle course here. Just drive the tractor and golf cart through the mud. When the mud dries up, it makes a obstacle course. We're going to have to end up putting weighted tires on this because it's a very top-heavy rig. But I think that makes it fun. We got the metal drive shaft or plastic drive shafts in here still, so it's it'd be very easy to break them if it gets stuck on something. So we're just taking it easy on it. Oh, is it gonna get it back by itself? No. don't have enough power to push past this. Lots of sticks and stuff to get caught on down here. Okay, we'll open it up a little bit. We're going uphill right now. Full throttle. See if we can make it up this hill. Broke the drive shaft before. Oh, we burned something up. It doesn't do anything now. Well, I guess let's flip it over real quick and see if we can see anything. Just having a lot of trouble there. Yep, it's completely dead on the motor side. I don't know if that maybe the battery is low. We're going to change the battery and see if we can continue on the trail. Okay, so we swapped the battery out with a fresh one and it still don't work. So we burned up the brand new MN260 motor, I do believe. Par for the course. I seem to break these things within minutes every time I use them. I don't know what to say about that. I guess I just have bad luck. But I guess we're going to do a couple minutes of just looking at some details on this. We got some mud and sand on the tires now. Looks pretty cool. Rolled it over a couple times. Got our fresh B36 over there. So, I guess since we burned up this 260 motor with these, I guess we're gonna put a 370 motor in it now. Guess we'll just keep going till I can make it run longer than 5 minutes, and let's just keep throwing upgrades at it till we have a dependable machine. We're gonna get some wheel weights in here. I got some metal axles, 370 dual speed. But I figure we'll start with the stock parts and the cheap parts and just keep working our way up. You know what I mean? Something breaks, we replace it, make it a little bit better. I like running plastic drive shafts, even though they break so easy. It's just, I don't know, I guess I like the plastic parts and just try not to break them. Because anytime I put metal drive shafts on, it breaks other stuff. But yeah, these Wpl B36s are really cool. I don't know how many of them we got now. But I guess we're going to end the video off here. Might make another video with the C14 and C24s. We'll see what happens. But thank you all for watching. I'm sure you didn't actually make it to this point in the video. If you did make it to this point in the video, thank you very much. It means a lot for watching. Again, as I always say, I'm sorry for the crappy content, but I want to make it better. So, y'all have a great day. Like and subscribe. Have an awesome time playing with your RC trucks. We're going to have some new stuff coming in. Can't wait to share it with y'all. Have a great day. Bye.